myself Chetan Mathasula, and today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem. So now let's head over to our problem statement. Okay, so the problem statement is on our screen. The title of problem statement is to sum, and the description is given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target. And we have to return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. So now let's head over to our LeetCode dashboard to solve this question. Okay, so the question is on our screen. Question dashboard is on our screen. First of all, take a look of example 1. Here is the given nums array 27150. Target is 9. And its give output 0 and 1. Why? Because 0th element of nums array and first element of nums array sums becomes 9. And it becomes target. So now let's go to the solution. Okay, so I will write the solution. I will explain you. First of all, I assume the sum equals to 0 because we have to compare sum with the target. And after, I assume a vector because we have to return our indices in a form of array or the vector. That's why I define vector here. After that, I run a for loop and another for loop. So what that it means? It means first for loop starts from 0. For first example, it starts from 2, and second one starts from I plus 1. I mean, these elements becomes 7, and for the whole element, the whole system becomes 2 plus 7. Then after 7 plus 11, then after 11 plus 15. So that these two loops goes, and after that I will assign a sum value of nums ith element and nums j element, because we have to do sum of first and second elements. First and after that element. So we do sum is do this thing. After that, I write a if condition to compare sum with the target. If sum equals to target, then we have to return the two indices in the form of array. So simply I return ing over here. And if none of elements becomes target, none of element sums become target, then we have to return a blank array, or we can say blank vector. I do over here. So now I hope you might get the solution in your mind. And now let's run this program first. Okay, so case 1, 2, 3, all done, all right, accepted. Submit the code. So code is submitted and I beats 29.56%. It's low, very low. So I have to redefine my solution, and the runtime is 43 milliseconds. It's good. I hope you get this solution, and let's meet in another question. Till then, goodbye.